Okay, this little next demonstration is all about taking a little bit of fullness out of the front of your bodice. So when you've made your sample, and if you feel there's a little bit of just fullness across the chest area, you can take out, as shown in the altar in the centre front, just enough off the centre front just by pinning in. So this is a little example of what it would look like. So if you found that that is just that little bit too gapey there, you will have pins in that you can only pin so far, but that is the fullness you want to take out. Now when it is shown in the book, it shows you how to transfer this feature here, but to show you how it actually works is quite a really straightforward thing. So you get your pattern block for your front and you lay your front where you've pinned along the side there, and you know that that is the amount of fullness you want to take out. Now bearing in mind you're working on the half, so we don't need to unpin this, we just need to measure between the edge of the fabric there and the pin. Now it doesn't matter if you haven't pinned this exactly in the centre front, as long as you've pinned the amount you want to take out, we then just transfer that measurement onto here. So what you're looking at is this exact measurement across here, and you're just marking it on the top. Now rather than checking the rest down there, because you don't want to do an angled front because it then means you can't cut it on the fold, so instead you just take that one little measurement on top, and then you go from the top of there all the way down to the point. Now there's no seam allowance on this pattern piece, so you just take it right down to nothing, and that means that not only will you take out this amount from the centre front, you just graduate all the way down to the bottom, so then it's a nice continuous line, and then you take all of this out. And what we just do is we now cut along that line, and that is removed, and this then becomes our new pattern piece. So when we here we cut away what we don't want, and it means that this piece can still be cut on the fold because it's a nice dead straight line. So you cut that away, and then you redraw your centre front line, and you say cut on the fold, and that's as simple as it is. That is how you take out that fullness out of the front and still have your centre front cut on the fold.